I'm gonna make some bomb dinner.
Got a weird twang to it. I thought that was ranch. You tricked me.
Mayo.
Oh look, an imposter. Here's one. You're dead. And you're dead. Here's the sound of nature for you. We finally made it to the site. This is one of our favorite campgrounds, even though it's just a normal campground. It's a nice little spot right next to the woods. And we just come here all the time because it's really close to where we live and there's not too many options because now we live in the city.
And I already heard an owl.
So if you're new to the channel, which I know a lot of you are because we're a pretty freaking small channel, definitely appreciate anybody that watches our stuff and enjoys it. And if you like it, subscribe and, you know, come along for the ride. It's gonna be fun. The next goal, 10,000 subscribers.
Let's do it.
See how fast we can get there. It's gonna be fun.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still frozen, feel it coming in. Golden, I'll follow them. Golden, golden, golden things.
Sorry.
Well, broken chair strikes again. So we even had a spare chair. And we brought a second one that wasn't broken, and now we have two broken ones. I guess back to the butthole and one chair.
Mountain Laurel high five, miles in rain.
Oh, they're still standing here.
Hummingbird sing. Golden, I follow from golden, golden, golden.
Smell fire. I'll just be here all night.
We're all set up. Got the fire going. Wood's wet or green or both. Not really sure. She's already just freaking chilling, even though we still got to get up and make some dinner.
Hey, I'm gonna make some bomb dinner too.
Yeah, so it's nice to be all set. So far it's quiet. There's been a couple kids riding around and we basically got the whole campground to ourselves, so.
Sorry, there's bugs.
It'll happen. We're outdoors. I'm freaking hungry.
Me too, and this looks delish. It more than looks. I've already been snacking this whole time.
Yeah, that's freaking perfect.
I know, I'm the master steak cooker.
You've cooked a lot of steaks, that's for sure.
I don't even overcook them anymore. Now I undercook them.
Those are good. Good potatoes too.
Big old burger though. I don't know if I'll be able to eat it, so.
Well, more for me. Just need some of that cheesecake icing stuff that we had.
Oh, the cheesecake filling.
Cheesecake filling and some brisket.
Well, sorry, fresh out.
Well, y'all may have noticed that we're not around a wood fire anymore. And that is because the wood is wet and green and just sizzles the whole time. So, you know, what works every time is the freaking tripod torch. So broke that out, takes no time to set up. Now we have a fire. We don't have to worry about going out. If any of y'all are interested, that is actually the #1, very first item that we have on our website. It is for sale. So if you can buy it anywhere, you like the video, you like us, you want to subscribe to the channel, might as well buy it from us. Here, watch this. Scorched earth. Ready?
Ooh, yay.
That'll put out some flame, that's for sure.
And it's actually really good for heat. And you get 3 of those things because you can cook on it with all 3 on, or you can do like shields from the wind so you can direct the heat. It's really cool.
Yeah, those things she's talking about are the heat deflectors. So if you put the 3rd wall on there, you can put a pot on there, boil water, you can cook stuff if you really wanted to, so it works as a stove too. So can't go wrong.
I apologize if I sound like an animal when I eat, but I kind of do, so.
So now what you thinking? Some dinner? Call of Duty?
Oh yeah. I'm playing Call of Duty Mobile, and he has the Xbox. Right? Did you bring the Xbox?
I brought the Xbox.
Okay. I couldn't remember.
So some dinner, Call of Duty, chill the rest of the night.
Let's do.
Sounds fun.
Oh, and dessert.
Oh yeah, we do have dessert.
I just spilled that everywhere. All down my shirt.
Freaking caveman.
I know. I'm a mess. Do you want some burger?
Well, of course I do. Oh yeah.
It's a good burger though.
Yep, that'll do
It
it.
was a full half-pound burger.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So now we have lunch for tomorrow.
It's got a weird twang to it.
The burger?
Tastes like, what is that? It's like,
It's brisket and ground chuck.
oh, it's like pickle relish.
That's mayo.
Oh. Oh, that's what I'm dipping that in?
Yeah,
I thought that was ranch. You're kidding. You tricked
it's
me.
mayo.
Why wouldn't you warn somebody?
Because who eats ranch on a burger?
You eat ranch on everything. I
Not
would have
on a
never guessed there was
burger.
mayonnaise on there. I thought for sure that was ranch.
No, I don't eat ranch on my burger. That's just weird.
You eat ranch on everything.
Yeah, except a burger and
Well,
a steak.
you should have warned me first because that's a lot of mayo. I just doused this thing in mayo.
It's not even the same consistency as ranch.
Yeah.
Oh, what a
That's messed up.
loser.
Why would you do that to somebody? Look at all this mayo I have on this thing. I knew that tasted weird.
Oh,
Tastes like
shoot.
potato salad now or something. Oh well, anyway.
Of course you are. That's hilarious.
You're fired as a chef.
Whatever. You cannot cook nearly as good as dinner as me.
All right, you're rehired.
Thank you. I just had like a reverse burp. That was awkward.
You're hired at a reduced pay rate.
No, that's rude. I'll throw your dessert in the trash. How about that?
Nope, need that.
Go dumpster diving for it. Yeah.
All right, dessert. Let's do it.
Right now?
Yes.
Can we clean first?
No, dessert first.
Seriously?
All right, fine. We'll clean. Dessert, Xbox.
Yeah, we gotta eat our dessert while we play Xbox.
All right, fair. You
I
win.
can't, yeah. And we need to go for a walk. Or after dinner walk.
Okay, also fair.
Are you losing your train of mind here? We go for a walk every night
think
after
you just
dinner.
Lost your train of mind
I know.
in that thought of yours.
Oh, look. Moon.
Oh, look, moon.
Where's the stars? I guess it's cloudy.
They're behind all of the clouds and fog.
That's disappointing.
Yeah, it is a little foggy. All right, clean up, walk, Call of Duty,
Dessert.
dessert. Let's play.
Yay!
Let's do her. Here's the sound of nature for you. Yep, that'll work. Alright, gotta get some shotgun kills. I saw the people are getting one-shot shotgun kills, so.
Oh, you got him.
They died.
Oh.
That was not a one-shotter. Maybe it was that one. Oh, there's a one. Oh, double. Triple. Boom. Eat it. Oh, shot in the back. Oh, look. An imposter. Let's go sneak up on somebody. There's one. You're dead. And you're dead. And you're dead.
Oh, you talk too much crap. They got you.
Oh no, I'm dead. Fix my pants. Seriously.
I don't hope that can
Oh, gotcha, bitch. Is it just me? Or does everybody get smoked from a freaking helicopter every time a helicopter shows up? Every time there's a helicopter, it kills me like 3 times instead of anybody else. Oh, seriously, I'm going for 20 kills without taking damage. I'm on like 13. There's one. Come on, you're a sniper. Where'd you go? There he is. Nope. Shotgun life's a hard life, but it's fun.
Snack is served.
Oh, we got snacks? Seriously? Where are you? Jeez, being smoked.
Have you seen the cute heart shapes?
Moose cake. It's good. Oh, I just got smoked again. Ah, gotcha. Oh, there's a guy around the corner. Gotcha. See, the helicopter is going to get me again. Every time. Alright, I'm switching. Been using this new, the Ladra thing. Oh, look. I got the disguise. Ah, it's over. Freaking helicopters. I can't be the only one. I refuse to prestige again and start over. But hey, chocolate mousse cake is where it's at. Give it a try. I need 5 more kills without taking damage. And here, this is how you do Nuketown. Get an XMG with a belt feeder and just sit here and just smoke everybody. Right here in the corner. Everybody hates me. Come on, there's one. Oh, there's 2. Oh, a dude in the window. Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky. All right, I need 3 more. Oh, there's one. He shot me though, so that didn't count. Still need 3 more. There's one. 2 more. Get out of my way. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's another one. I got it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, sweet. All right, well, freaking smoke. Get out of here. Got him. Got him. Got him. That's 3. Up top. Got him. Oh, there's a guy laying down. Smoked him. Gotcha. Belt feeder. Belt feeder's where it's at. I only need one more for a kill streak. Got him. Got him. Nope, that was a mannequin. Whoops. Come on. Oh. Got him. Up top. Dang it. Got one of them. I'm so slow. Why am I so slow? Gotcha. Pistola. Oh, I lagged. I freaking lagged. Starlink. Alright, well, I'm gonna finish this up. I think that's enough for me. Not that good. Still fun though. Well, good morning.
Hello.
I slept pretty freaking good. How about you?
I slept very well.
Yeah, it was actually a pretty calm night. These campgrounds are totally underrated. Like everybody always wants to talk about going to these, like, you know, glamorous backcountry sites and stuff like that. I mean, realistically, you get a campground on a Monday night, it's basically a ghost town. So you want to get away and pay like $12 for a basic site for a night and have pavement and stuff in the fire pit that we kind of used and kind of didn't use. This is kind of where it's at. Overall, I mean, the night was freaking great. Good night of gaming, and I went right to sleep, no problem.
Yeah, me too. And now I'm just getting some work done.
Yeah. I mean, the downside of owning, you know, a whole bunch of retail stores is we have to take care of people. So as soon as she got out here and checked her phone, they had to cover people calling out of stores. I think, how many people did you have?
2, 3. And the other person that helps me handle this had a bad night, so I had to do it this morning. So normally someone else usually does it, but
Yeah, apparently the dude had a reaction to shellfish, I guess. He ate some shrimp He's eaten shrimp before. Got some kind of allergic reaction and had to go to the ER last night. So
It's an EpiPen and everything. It's kind of wild.
dude, that's nuts. Like, I don't know. Any of you guys have any weird reactions to stuff after, you know, being a grown adult? You know, he's at least 30, right?
But he's like 28.
Yeah. And this whole time never allergic to shellfish, then all of a sudden had to go to the ER.
It happened to me with strawberries when I was 19. I wasn't allergic to them. I ate them all grown up. And then I had one day and I was allergic.
Yeah. It's weird how that happens. I don't know. But anyway, we're going to make sure all this stuff gets taken care of, and then we're going to continue on with the day, see what happens.
Yeah.
Well, we're just enjoying a nice little walk. Pretty much what we do every morning, first thing when we wake up, or shortly after, because today we had to deal with some crises. Crises? Crises. So, like I said, finally got to turn over all the operations to her, so you get to deal with it.
That's okay.
She likes it.
It's not hard.
It's new to her. It's old to me. I'm ready for different things. We have a 9-day Arizona trip lined up that we're actually going to go on next week. So we're going to be loading up all kinds of content from that. So if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, check out our cool Arizona trip that's coming, and make sure you give us a like and comment, you know, do all the stuff that helps get this YouTube video seen to people so you can help reach my goal of that 10,000 subscribers. I'm going to try to get that in about 3 months. It's going to be a challenge, but I like challenges. I like challenging myself, and it's gonna push us to just keep making better, more interesting content for you guys, because that's what I wanna do. This is basically what I'm gonna do full time now, is make awesome content. So love to have you guys all around for the adventures that we go on, and it'll just make it way more exciting. If you have any ideas for us, you know, if you've looked at our older videos before this one, hopefully the quality is improving significantly. That's the goal. If not, leave a comment about that too, telling us we suck. I don't care. Anything helps. I'm down for it. Appreciate you guys watching. I really do. Like all of the views, all the subscribers, everything that we've heard so far. It's just so awesome that you guys are just great. We'll see you on the next one. We're just gonna pack up, cruise on out of here, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
See ya.
I'm in front.